Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1. Range is 600. Concept is subject verb agreement, modifier, parallelism and pronoun. Let us move. It says inflation in medical costs slowed in 1986 for the fifth consecutive year but were still about 50% greater than the rate of price increases for the other items included in the consumer price index. Look here, it is were. All right. So what is subject for were? Actually, it is inflation. How? Remember, here there are two verbs. One is slowed and one is were. So slowed and were is parallelism. Why parallelism? Because whenever there is conjunction, it should be parallelism. All right. So after but it is were, and because after but it is verb, that's why there should be parallelism with another verb. So slowed and were. What is subject for slowed here? It is inflation. And which rule have we applied here? Whenever there is group of words before verb, subject will be before preposition. What comes before preposition? It is inflation, and that's why it should be slowed. Okay. So inflation slowed, but were still about 50%. It should be was instead of were. So option A out, option C out, and option E out. Why E? Because same problem. Inflation in medical costs were. It should be was. Alright. By the way, it has one more problem, and that is called day. Because here we are talking about inflation, that's why it should not be day, but it should be it. Alright, so option E out. Left with option B and option D. Option B says inflation in medical costs slowed for the fifth consecutive year in 1986 but was, alright, it seems fine. In 1986 was the fifth consecutive year in which inflation in medical costs slowed but was. Remember, here in which is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because it comes after year, and year is time. So when noun is time, it should be when. If noun is place, it should be where. If noun is neither time nor place, it should be in which. If you want to know the concept of in which, where, when in detail, I have shared link in description. You can click and go through. So option D out because of modifier error. And what comes? B becomes best option.